Hi, it's Stephen from Goodie Goodie, the nonprofit bakery that provides training and jobs for refugee youth. We grew out of another nonprofit called Peaceworks that hosted outdoor youth events, kind of a cross between We Day and Woodstock. One of the groups performing there was Crossing Borders, which was made up of refugee students from Waterloo Collegiate Institute. Since our youth events only happened in May, we were looking for something to do during the rest of the year and came up with the idea of opening a pop-up bakery to help refugee kids. Then COVID happened and everything was canceled. 4 years later, we produced a cable TV show called Baking for Change and are now launching our bakery at a church in Kitchener. For more information, visit goodiegoodie.ca.